From Kansas City's breaking news leader, this is NBC Action News Midday.
Well, Kansas City could soon be home to the Scientist of the Year. It is a national recognition. Dr. Chatten Cowherd is one of 7 national finalists. He's a scientist at Midwest Research Institute and is nationally recognized in his field of study. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you for having me.
So tell us about this recognition and what it's about, what your study's about.
Well, I think it's a recognition of the work that I've done at Midwest Research Institute. I'd like to point out also that we have another of the 7 finalists who are on our staff at MRI, Doug Harwood. So we're very privileged to have 2 people on the list of finalists. My work has been in what I call open sources, dust storms, wildfires, large sources that can affect the public and can affect human health. And the big problem is to figure out how to test these sources. These sources are a lot more difficult to test than stacks that have confined dimensions and all that. You're working in the outdoors, you're subject to the weather conditions, and that can change the source emissions. So my work has been in developing test methods and trying to get these published.
Yeah, how long have you been doing this?
Actually, I've been doing it for 40 years.
40 years.
Yes.
So to be recognized finally about it,
right.
that's a good thing.
It
must make you feel proud.
It does, it really does.
Yeah, you've had a lot of students, a lot of interns. Have they helped you on this project?
They have. I've gotten the opportunity to work with students at the college level, a lot from Rockhurst University. I taught there for a few years before I started MRI. And I introduced them to my projects, allow them to work on the projects. They've done very well. And then they eventually go on to finish their college careers, possibly go to graduate school. And many have become full-time employees of MRI. So it's worked out really well.
That is really good. So you're one of 7 finalists, and this is nationally. There are scientists all over the country.
Yes, that's true.
Your chances, I don't want to, go ahead and brag. I mean, what does it look like? Have you looked at the other scientists and what their projects are about?
It's hard to say.
Yeah.
It's hard to say. I think just to have 2 of us in the running from MRI is a real tribute to the organization, and we're very happy about it, obviously.
What does it mean for you and your research project and for the university, for the school?
Well, for the institute. Yeah,
sorry.
for the institute. Yeah. It means a lot because Kansas City has a wonderful institution here. We do a lot of scientific work to help the public protect security, safety, health, and quality of life, and so we'd like to be recognized for that.
Nationally.
Nationally.
Yeah.
And so this gets kind of the attention directed towards our organization. Of course, we have offices elsewhere out of Kansas City, but this is our headquarters.
Okay. If you would like to vote for Dr. Cowherd, you can do this. Hopefully making the 2010 Scientist of the Year. You have until October 15th, so here's how you do it. Just go to www.rdmag.com. Once again, it's www.rdmag.com, and vote away. You have until the 15th. Thanks, Doctor. We appreciate you.
Thank you for having me.
Good luck.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. All righty.
Okay.